Hello student, problem number 19. Let us see student what is the problem number 19. Okay, somewhat looking easy problem student. So if you see here what is the problem is saying student, you can check it out. So problem number 19 is saying iodine molecule dissociate into atom. What is meaning of student? That is I2 molecule is there student, I2 molecule. Okay, and what is happening in this student? It is dissociate into atom 2I. It is dissociate into atom. Then you see after absorbing a light of 4500 angstrom means here the light absorb. How much absorb student? That is 4500 angstrom. Okay. So that is lambda they have given student. Lambda they have given how much? That is 4500 angstrom. You convert into meter student, that is 4500 into 10 to power minus 10 meter. Okay. Now, if what they are saying, if quantum of radiation is absorbed by each molecule, quantum of means what they are saying, E absorbed for each molecule means what is student, that is Hc by lambda. So directly here you can calculate. Then calculate the kinetic energy of atom. Okay. So first of all, what we have to calculate student, that is energy absorbed. Okay, energy absorbed. Iodine molecule dissociate into atoms after absorbing the light 4500 angstrom. If quantum of radiation absorbed by each molecule. Okay, calculate the kinetic bond dissociation energy. Already they have given 240 kilojoule per mole. So there is nothing is going to have a problem. So that is E absorbed is equal to, you put the value H value 6.626 into 10 power how much student, minus 34, 10 power minus 34. And C is speed of light student. Speed of light means 3 into 10 power how much student, 8 meter per second, divided by lambda value we have already given. This is the 4500 into 10 ki power minus 10 meter. So this meter all will be second cutting out, the joule will come, answer will come into joule. So how much is the answer is coming student? It is coming 4.417 into 10 power minus 19 joule. This energy is coming student. This is the energy is coming, total energy. Okay. So I know also, I know energy for breaking the bond, this is the absorb energy student, absorb energy. Total absorb energy means total energy they are saying student, this you keep in mind. Then only we will apply the for kinetic energy. See student, so what other things they are talking about? They are saying that is bond dissociation energy. Okay, energy used for breaking the bond. So bond dissociation energy, if you bond dissociation energy. Okay, bond dissociation energy. So that is bond dissociation energy, how much student? Bond dissociation energy. So if you talk about the bond dissociation energy student, so this is the bond dissociation energy, how much given student? So I2 molecule is there, I2, and when it is breaking out, so it is forming, that is 2I. Okay, so for this one, for atoms they have given 240 kilojoule per mole. No, 240 kilojoule per mole. What is meaning of this student? If you want to convert into joule, okay, because this absorb energy in the joule, it is kilojoule. So what is 240 multiplied by 10 power 3, and per mole is there, so also we don't need the mole, so you divide by the mole. So 6.022 into 10 power 23. So you see how much the answer is coming student. This is coming 3 point, okay student, 3.984 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Dear student, that is Planck, for kinetic energy we have learned about the equation. Okay, So that is total energy absorbed is equal to, or you can say energy of photon used in the doing work done, work function plus kinetic energy. This equation we have to we have understand in the kinetic, that is photoelectric effect. Our student, work done means what? That is bond dissociation. Bond dissociation. This is what bond dissociation. So bond dissociation means if you are calculating kinetic energy, student, if you want to calculate kinetic energy, so that is energy absorb minus what will be there, student? Minus, that is work done. Work done, either you can say what you can use the term, student, what the term you can use here at the place of work done, you can say that is bond dissociation energy, bond dissociation energy, bond dissociation energy, bond dissociation energy. So you do, student. So how what are the values are there, student? If you write the value, so absorb energy is here, okay, 4.417 into 10 power minus 19. Subtract it out, student, with that value. Dissociation, bond dissociation, this value how much is there, student? You can check out. The same value is there, 3.987 multiply by 10 power minus 19, minus 19. It is also there, student, 10 power minus 19. So common you can take, student, minus 19. So here is 4.417 minus, this is the minus sign, student, minus 3.987, no, outside of the bracket how much? 10 power minus 19 is common. 10 power minus 19 is common. So how much answer you are going to get, student? Okay, so I know here I am erasing the, student, for the this portion. I'm erasing because here is a space is very less, student. So this is, we need to erase this to write the answer, student. Almost we have done 90% of the problem. So student, what we can do here, you see that is the we got, that is work function or the bond dissociation enthalpy we got, okay. Now kinetic energy also we got here, this value is what, student? This value is kinetic energy. This value is what is kinetic energy. Of kinetic energy per atom they are asking, student. Calculate the kinetic energy of iodine atoms. So in a one molecule, kinetic energy this much is coming. This one for molecule. So kinetic energy for one atom. Here is kinetic energy. You can write that is kinetic energy per atom. Per atom. So how much in one molecule per atom? That is in one molecule. That is in one molecule, that is in one molecule, how many atoms are there, student? In one molecule, how many atoms are there? Two atoms present. So two atoms present. So per atom how can calculate, student? By dividing it. Therefore per atom, so per atom how to calculate, student? Per atom, so kinetic energy per atom is equal to, it is coming how much, student? 4.417 minus 3.987 divided by 2 multiply by how much is there, student? 10 power minus 19. 10 power minus 19. Now you check out how much is coming, student, for this much. If you are solving this, student, it is coming, 0.216, 0.216 into 10 power minus 19 is coming. Up now, student, this you simplify, put in the scientific notation. So kinetic energy is equal to, it is coming 2.16 into 10 power minus 20. This will be the joule. Kinetic energy, it will be in the joule. So now match up with the option, student. Which one is 2.16? 2 point. Correct option is option number 1 itself is saying, student. Other options are all are 2.1622. This is wrong. This is the 4 wrong. This is 3 wrong. So correct option is option number 1. Thank you so much for watching, friends.